Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and wanted to take a moment and point out something that I've noticed as I've gone out and done estimates for our clients over the past few weeks. A lot of our clients are asking for sod replacement right now in areas where their grass may be thinning, and as you can see behind me, this area here, there's not a lot of grass, and the biggest contributing factor that I have seen between all of the yards that we've seen this on is shade. There's just too much shade around in order for it to grow good, healthy grass here in East Texas. And what you're going to find is that even the most shade-friendly grasses like zoysia and St. Augustine, they're going to need at least 4 hours of sun a day in order to promote good, healthy, thriving grass. And the best way that you can accomplish that is have a tree company come in and thin out the canopy of your trees. And then what that'll do is that'll allow more sunlight to penetrate down and to hit the ground. And then when you come in and you put your sod down, that'll allow it to grow a lot better and give you much healthier grass. So make sure that before you come in and you do a sod replacement that you're getting enough sunlight. Again, you're going to need like 4 hours of sunlight a day in order for your grass to grow and thrive. So if you have any other questions, please give me a shout or leave the question below and I'll help you out however I can. Thank y'all so much, and y'all have a wonderful day.